Familiarize yourself with a 2011 Lexus GX 460. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by heated and ventilated seats, automatic temperature control, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, and cruise control. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.